thanks to TechBlick for the opportunity to introduce Atrago to the world and have the opportunity also to tell more about our graphene display developments, activities, and positioning to the augmented virtual reality and the head-up display applications. First, I want to also apologize that the camera is not working very well. So unfortunately, you will not see me, but I'll be behind, just smiling. And yes, the presentation is starting with a brief description of brief introduction of about Atrago, and then making some qualitative comparative among display technologies from the perspective of a material scientist, that is myself, and to quickly move into our technology, and with a quick review of past, present, and future developments. Let me start with this sentence. We need a better vision. For a second, think that you are one of these astronauts going back to the moon village after your moonwalk, and you happen to see this image in your screen, in your visor. While it's a bit exaggerated, but surely you will have a low resolution. You will suffer this screen door effect, so you see the space between the pixels. If the display happens to be close to your eye, you probably are getting dizzy because the refresh rate is kind of low. And yeah, basically the display will shut down at some point because you run out of battery. While this cannot be blamed to one single specification of one single parameter of the display, there is, from my perspective, a big issue or a lack of innovation in the display sector that starts. The root of the issue would be this sub-pixelated structure of displays, which comes from some historical needs, technical needs to make RGB colors, but nonetheless has not quite changed, I would say, in the last in history, and that is causing some bottlenecks. So for a fact, I will say standard display technologies are not meant for augmented or virtual reality. So there is something there to work on, and that's what Atrago is aiming at solving. So we want to provide, with our technology, a better image and comfort, and ultimately a great product that is aligned with the green future that we envision, and especially in the current with the current challenges, energetic challenges that the world is facing more than ever. So Atrago was incorporated in 2020, and it is headquartered in the Netherlands with activities in Germany and Spain, and is a deep tech startup. We leverage CVD graphene to bring a revolution to the display sector with our colorful pixel technology. And we are integrators. We want to bring our graphene pixels or modulators into systems such as VR, AR, and head-up displays. And for that, we are entering the automotive sector as a first step, and also tackling Industry 4.0 and healthcare markets. The team, we are an early stage startup. We have already a core management team, and we are about slightly less than 10 people, but we are all functional and working together. I am the CTO and also the inventor of the technology, as you will see later. And we are already working in several associations and consortiums that will bring us much further. Now, having some